I'm Mika, 32 years old, one of the sales associates here in Happy Ants. Actually, my friend recommended the Happy Ants to me, and then I visited the Facebook page, and then I browsed from the page, and then I got interested. So that's why I tried and registered to their website. To be honest, napaka-user-friendly yung website. And natuwa ko sa color niya. Very maganda siya sa eyes. And then, also yung mga filter na option nila is really helpful for me. And na-enjoy ko when nag-browse kami sa website. Yes, I tried yung mag-walk-in, also manual, yung search ako sa Google, also sa mga different Facebook groups. Diyan, join ako dyan para makapag-apply. And then, yung lalo na mas mahirap yung mag-apply ka on-site because yung kamusahin mo, pagod mo, pagkain mo pa. Ayun. Siyempre, sobrang happy ako kasi yung experience ko is really smooth lang. And also, bilis ng process. And yung mga nag-assist din sa akin is really, ano din talaga sila, really helpful talaga. And sobrang happy ako sa nangyari. Yes, sobrang dali niya kasi, yun nga, since portal lang siya online, virtual lang natin process, napakadali kasi sa bahay ka lang. And then, pag wala kang ginagawa, nag-browse ka dyan, and then, mag-filter mo talaga yung gusto mong position dun sa website. So, sobrang dali. Sa mga job seekers, especially dun sa mga wala pang experience, fresh graduates, try mo yung Happy Ants. It's really helpful because marami silang na-offer and maraming features. They offer coaching and mock interviews. So since you're a first-time job seeker, nakakapag-practice talaga kayo. And really helpful talaga is, I can say that it's worth it. So try it. Yes, thank you Happy Ants for helping me find the job that I have right now. Sobrang thankful ako kasi nakikita ko yung Happy Ants and natulungan ako ng Happy Ants to find this work na sobrang convenient for me. Ayun, thank you so much. Hi, this is Mika again. Thank you so much Happy Ants.